guys, welcome back to Boost District. Hopefully you guys had a good holidays. We have a brand new daily driver here. It's 2023 Escalade. We're gonna show you guys how to build an Escalade V power without spending the Escalade V money. Let's go make 650 horsepower in this thing and not spend 160 grand while doing it. Oh, by the way, we have a crazy week planned. We're taking our Headscam C8 Corvette that we just finished building. You're gonna see it in this video right here. It made amazing power, the most power I've seen in a Corvette make. And we're gonna be taking it to the customer back in Kansas City. You're gonna see his ride along reactions too, because we're gonna film it. So let's get to work and let's get built in this thing, and we better make it in time. So let's roll. So first of all, we have a 2650 supercharger kit with the proper inlet facing the OEM specs. This uses your factory airbox. The heat exchanger that comes with the kit. We have a trunnion upgrade with the rocker arms, and also push rods and valve springs. The whole kit comes with the supercharger kit. It comes with a pump with a bracket and also the reservoir. It comes with the intake pipe that goes directly to your intake box, and also we remove the flex belt that comes OEM with the kit and adds a proper tensioner, spring-loaded tensioner to handle the boost with the included bracket. It also includes all the wiring for the kit. The major thing is ECU and tuning. This kit comes with the Global B unlock already. If you selected that option, you basically send us your ECU, we unlock it and load the tune on it. So what you have to do is you just, once you get this back in the mail, plug it back in the car with the tune already loaded in it, and you're good to go. We're gonna basically install everything as you're receiving it. So we're not gonna change much minus our valve train kit and the heat exchanger and the intake. These things are so quiet. I wanna hear my engine. I want to hear my exhaust. We're going to add a Borla catback exhaust on it. This is going to be the S-Type, the sport version of the Borla. They're a little louder than the GM offering for the Borla SUV exhaust. It's going to be a great addition for these Escalades. I can't wait to hear it. Besides the performance modifications, we're going to make this thing look pretty. We're going to black out all the chrome, and big thing is lower it. So this truck has adaptive air ride control. When you open the door, it lowers itself. It looks pretty. But when you drive it, it goes all the way back up. So what we're going to do is, this came from Switch Suspension. These basically trick the OEM sensors, the ride height sensors, to lower the car. These are adjustable, as you can see right here, and you can shorten them up or lengthen them for your ride height preference. Lastly, wheels and tires. These chromes are not going to do it. We're going to get some Vossen HF64 with 305, 35, 24 tires on it. These things are 24 by 10 wide, and it looks really good. It's going to give us an aggressive stance with the lowering kit. So I can't wait to see that. Guys, heat exchanger is in, nice and snug. Valve train kit all installed, finished up. Next, the big guy. So it looks like Daniel's vacuum filling our radiator now, our coolant for the radiator. Next he'll be doing that for the supercharger. So pretty nifty system that we always use here. Vacuum filling everything makes it so much easier to not have air pockets in your system. Look at what we got here. It's always cool to see the builds we've done, and this Caprice is definitely one of the best. So this thing is pretty wild. It's a 2023, it's a 2023 Z51 with less than 6,000 miles, 5,750 miles. All right, guys. While Daniel is over there working on the Escalade exhaust, we're gonna go see how much power this Headscam C8 makes with our Boost District package. That sound is just intoxicating. It sounds amazing. So this is our Headscam C8 package. This car already came with the exhaust and intake already on it. We just added cold air intake and the high flow cats and our Headscam intake package. Baseline on that car with all those mods was 459.4, 457 torque. With our tuning and head scan package, it went almost to 600 and 531. Yes, you can see you don't lose any power down low, but after 3000 RPM, you really just wrap it out. A lot of gains. Also on the torque, OEM torque, pretty flat, but with our head scan package, you gain quite a bit. Almost 80 wheel, actually 80 wheel torque gained and 140 horsepower gained. That's pretty damn good. So first impressions, car drives good, feels like stock, sounds amazing, has a really good power, shifts through all the gears, no problem. But obviously, if you want to give it the sauce, just downshift and go. Such a nice combo for a budget build, like the budget build that makes 600 wheel horsepower. That's the main thing, you know. Head scan kit from Boost District from us is $12,000, and then just add your exhaust and intake and you're good. Spun the tires there, but it feels amazing. Well, what do you guys think about this head scan package? I'm definitely impressed by it. It's fun. It sounds good. It feels amazing. Drives like stock. Everything functions, and it's economical. So definitely A+ for me. Making 600 wheel on less than $20,000 is awesome. Making 600 wheel on, you know, starting at $12,000 is pretty damn cool. So let's get back at it. Let's see what Daniel's up to with the Escalade. I think we're almost ready to fire, so let's go. Pretty cool combo with the Boost District head cam combo with the Haltech Holder intake and the Lincoln Filter intake manifold. Brian Tully Racing grounded cam, spec for us. Really nice. I like the way this car is. It's gnarly. I can't wait for Mr. Nick to get this back. It's pretty cool. All right, we just got back. Boom. Lowering link installed. How much did you lower it, you think?
Probably almost 3 inches.
3 inches. Gonna look sick. All right, guys, we just finished the exhaust. Put the supercharger belt on. Now let's see if she fires up. I love it. I love the stance. It looks amazing. It sounds good. Not too loud, just enough. It's gonna be a good daily driver. Let's get it on the road soon. All right, everyone, with Miss Karen and Mr. Luke's, and they have the C8 Corvette that we just did a vertical door and exhaust. What do you think of the doors?
It's amazing. I like it. You did a good job.
Thank you. Let's hear the exhaust. Sounds good.
Awesome, great job, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, first driving impression. Pretty quick. Sounds good. Feels good. Pretty sure that was a cop. It was coming. All right, we'll try that again.
Feels fast.
Yeah.
Pretty dang smooth too.
I like it. I'm a big fan. Solid. Definitely feels just like my truck when I was making 650. It's a lot smoother, that's for damn sure. And it's a really good exhaust. I like this setup, so I'm happy with it. Got one more time. Shall we? One of the favorite parts of my job is just seeing the joys in people's faces. So whenever they receive their products or we build their cars and they go pick it up, the excitement, the happiness, and And knowing that we did a good job in making somebody's day or building their dream, that's something that you cannot take away from this. And that's why we love doing this, you know. It's not only for work, it's a sincerity of people's desire that we can attain for them. A lot of people just dream about these things and we're able to make it happen. And we're grateful for it. We're grateful that we can do it. And we thank you guys for watching. And we really appreciate everybody's support. And I'm hoping that we can keep kicking butt and doing this a long time. And we appreciate the support and continuous love and appreciation for everybody. So let's keep working hard and doing this together. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and we'll discuss more things in the future. Stay tuned and let's get to it.